Rule 207 of the UK Highway Code reminds drivers and riders to take extra care around vulnerable road users, especially pedestrians. It's a call to stay alert, patient, and be considerate whenever you are on the road. First, remember that children and older pedestrians who may not be able to judge your speed could step into the road in front of you. At 40 miles per hour, a collision with a pedestrian is likely to be fatal. But at 20 miles per hour, the chances of a pedestrian losing their life drop to just 1 in 20. So slow down. Your lower speed can save lives. Second, older pedestrians may need more time to cross the road. Be patient and allow them to cross in their own time. Do not hurry them by revving your engine or edging forward. Third, people with disabilities and people with hearing impairments may not be aware of your vehicle approaching. Also, those with walking difficulties require more time. So, be patient with them. Fourth, look out for blind or partially sighted people carrying a white cane or using a guide dog. They may not be able to see you approaching. Fifth, keep an eye for deafblind people who may be carrying a white cane with a red band or using a dog with a red and white harness. They may not see or hear instructions or signals. Finally, whether you're a driver or a rider, remember that the road users most at risk from road traffic are pedestrians, in particular children, older adults, and disabled people. Look out for them and be patient with them.